Welcome to Vocabulary House, your premier channel for expanding your word power across a wide range of topics. In today's video, we're delving into the world of business vocabulary. This video will be divided into two parts. We'll explore essential terms and expressions to help you excel in the business world. Whether you're an experienced professional or simply aiming to enhance your language skills in a business context, you're in the right place. In this space, you can refine your abilities for sealing deals, making presentations, or sharpening your overall communication skills. Let's get started. Business card. Business card: a small card printed with one's name, occupation, business address, etc. Demand. Desire, backed by willingness and ability to purchase a product or service. Shipment. The transportation of goods or cargo from one place to another. Workspace. An area rented or sold for commercial purposes. Income tax. Income tax is a government levy on an individual's or entity's earnings. Advertisement. A paid message to promote products, services, or ideas widely. Interest rate. The percentage a lender charges for borrowing money or an investment. Profit. Positive financial gain from revenue exceeding expenses in a business context. Director. A person overseeing and managing activities or operations within an organization. Planning. Setting goals and organizing actions to achieve desired outcomes efficiently. Pay. To provide compensation or settle a debt or obligation with money. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching it. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share this video with your friends eager to expand their vocabulary. Stay tuned for this exciting two-part journey right here at Vocabulary House. I will be back soon with the second part of the video. Till then, keep watching Vocabulary House for more word wisdom.